Hello everyone, welcome back to Agastya Embroidery Boutique YouTube channel. This is welcome tutorial number 9 in our beginner series. In today's video, we are going to learn about the column C tool. Don't worry, I will explain everything slowly and clearly, step by step. Let's begin. Column C is used to create satin stitch. We mainly use column C for curved shapes and smooth designs. Compared to column A and column B, column C gives better control for curves. Now, look at the left side toolbox. Here you can see column A, column B and column C tools. I am selecting the column C tool now. First, I click once to start. Now I am clicking slowly along one side of the shape. Please click slowly, no need to hurry. Now I move to the other side of the shape. I am clicking again to complete the second side. After finishing the shape, I press enter. If the shape is not completed, press enter one more time. This is normal in Wilcom, so don't worry. Okay, I will press enter again. Now the object is completed. Now you can see the satin stitch is created. This shape looks smooth and neat. For beginner, I am using only left click. Right click is not needed now. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can press Ctrl plus Z and draw again. Practice this shape 2 or 3 times. Practice makes confidence. That's all for this tutorial. In this video, you learned how to draw a simple shape using column C tool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Wilcom embroidery tutorials.